Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you what to do if CS2 won't save your settings. First, I open Steam and select the game. Go to Manage and click on Browse Local Files. Now we go back here to Steam. Click on Steam. Oh wait, actually user data, and select your Steam ID. You can find this online if you have multiple accounts. This one is my main profile. I open it, then go to folder 730 local and CFG. Yes, here we need two files, CS2_machine and CS2_video. Right-click the first one, go to Properties and uncheck the box. It should look like mine. Click Apply and then OK. Next, right-click CS2_video and open Properties. Here we check the box. There. Click Apply and click OK. After that, launch Counter-Strike and test it. If that doesn't help, right-click the game, go to Properties, Installed Files, and verify integrity. That usually fixes the problem. Well, that should fix it. Also try disabling Steam Cloud or reinstalling the game. That's all. See you everyone.